And after that, we'll conclude. Any additional questions will ask to be questions for the record, please.
Thank you,
Senator
Mr. Chairman.
Duckworth.
Yes, thank you. So let me clarify. Mr. Ditlevson, can you commit right now that the mission of any deployment of active duty or National Guard troops domestically will never expand beyond the protection of federal buildings and federal law enforcement agents? Because in Illinois, you have Texas National Guardsmen deployed to Illinois against our governor's wishes. So if following up on the previous conversation that they would never be allowed to do law enforcement under Title 10, are we saying that there will never be a time in the future where Texas National Guardsmen will be sent to Illinois to do law enforcement? I'm confused as to how this is going to happen. So will National Guard troops domestically ever be told to carry out a mission beyond protection of federal buildings and federal law enforcement agents in any state, such as has happened in Illinois, where Texas National Guardsmen were sent to Illinois, forced down our throats?
Yeah. Senator, based on what Mr. Young just went through, I can't commit to that. I think Mr. Young could go into the specifics of the legal reason why that's the case. But in the Title 10 status, as a federal troop, the president has the authority to move them into another state, such as the
Where
Texas
they will,
National
then
Guard.
you're saying that you can't commit that those troops under Title 10 orders, you're not committing, right now, let me put, for the record, everybody in this room hears you, you're not committing that National Guardsmen will not be moved under Title 10 status into a different state to perform law enforcement functions, to do a mission beyond protection of federal property and protection of
we
federal
understand
troops?
you have many more questions. Any additional questions would be questions for the record if the witnesses would.
Can you let him
please
answer?
Get the best answer, please.
Senator Duckworth, for that question, these troops are deployed in the 12406 status, protecting federal buildings and property. I respect the president's decision space on this one. It's something that we would evaluate in the building if we receive the order.
So your answer is no, you can't commit to it.
Mr. Young, I believe I can defer to him on the specific legalities of
My
this
question
one.
is to you. So no, you cannot make that
I
commitment.
understand that, Senator, but whatever would come into our office and policy, I commit that that would absolutely go through the Office of General Counsel to make sure that whatever we are doing is 100% legal under the law.
Thank you to our witnesses.